Music TV.
Updated April 26, 2021 at 4:49 p.m. ET. Attorneys for Andrew Brown Jr.'s family said Monday they were frustrated to only be shown 20 seconds of body camera footage of sheriff's deputies shooting and killing Brown last week. But what they did see amounted to an execution, family attorney Chantel Cherry-Lassiter told reporters. Sheriff's deputies shot and killed Brown, a 42-year-old black man, while carrying out search and arrest warrants at his home Wednesday in Elizabeth City, NC. Family attorneys said the footage began with multiple deputies firing at Brown, who had his hands on the steering wheel of his vehicle in his driveway while being shot at. Cherry-Lassiter said Brown then drove his vehicle away from the deputies while they continued to shoot. She said Brown did not present a threat to the deputies. Deputies continued to shoot after Brown's car crashed, she added, saying his car was riddled with bullets. "It's just messed up how this happened," Brown's son Khalil Farabi said. "He got executed. It ain't right." Cherry-Lassiter said about 7 or 8 law enforcement officers were present in the video. "We do not feel that we got transparency," family attorney Ben Crump told reporters. "We only saw a snippet of the video." Attorneys said they wanted to see footage from before the shooting began, but that Pasquotank County Attorney R. Michael Cox only allowed the pertinent portion to be shown. Brown family lawyers said they expected there to be additional law enforcement body camera video from all of the deputies involved, as well as a light pole camera. Pasquotank County, NC, officials say they're still working to release the video to the public, a process that is required to go through the courts. Brown's family was allowed to see the portion of footage early Monday afternoon, after a delay in which officials said they needed time to blur faces in the video. Pasquotank County, NC, Sheriff Tommy Wooten too has said his office is asking a court to approve the video's release. That step is required by North Carolina law, as agencies generally do not have the authority to make such recordings public. Wooten also said he asked the North Carolina State Bureau of Investigation to confirm that doing so would not undermine its investigation into Brown's death. Brown family lawyers said a court hearing is scheduled for Wednesday on the matter of releasing the footage to media organizations. A state of emergency is now in effect in Elizabeth City, the county seat. The city also closed all of its government offices for the day, citing the potential for public unrest once the video becomes public. At the time of the shooting, deputies were carrying out search and arrest warrants related to alleged cocaine and methamphetamine possession and distribution, Carolina Public Press reported. Earlier, Elizabeth City Mayor Betty Parker said in an emergency declaration issued Monday morning that the video and audio recordings would likely be released in the very near future. City officials realize there may potentially be a period of civil unrest within the city following the public release of that footage, she said. City police also announced downtown road closures around the county courthouse and sheriff's office on Monday, saying the streets are closed for citizens exercising their constitutional right to a peaceful protest. Brown's death immediately resulted in protests in Elizabeth City. Police said over the weekend the demonstrations had not resulted in property damage or arrests. As the Associated Press reported, scanner traffic suggests that Brown was shot in the back, Recordings of scanner traffic compiled by BroadcastIFA.com from the morning of the shooting include emergency personnel indicating that Brown was shot in the back. An eyewitness has said that deputies fired shots at Brown as he tried to drive away, and a car authorities removed from the scene appeared to have multiple bullet holes and its back windshield shattered. Brown died one day after former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin was found guilty of murder and manslaughter in the death of George Floyd, a case that inflamed nationwide protests against police brutality and racial injustice. The Elizabeth City mayor is calling for North Carolina to change its laws to streamline the release of footage from officer-worn cameras, saying a delay of up to 48 hours should be sufficient. Initial details about Brown's death are tragic and extremely concerning, North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper said on Friday. He added, the body camera footage should be made public as quickly as possible and the SBI should investigate thoroughly to ensure accountability. 7 sheriff's deputies have since been placed on administrative leave. 3 others resigned, though the sheriff's office said the resignations were not related to the shooting.
Music TV.
But much love and respect, you know what I'm saying? But tune in to J-Lava, YouTube, TV, and everything else, and you're gonna see what you want to see. If you have any questions that you want to know, inbox him, hit him, and he's gonna tell you. And if you haters got something that y'all want to say, keep it to yourself, because we don't care.
Sure. Hey, boy, I gotta say more. I'm doing all right for the guy got the drop on me. You warmed up yet? Nothing like this on stage, screen, radio, TV, or cable, baby. This is an exclusive.
Music TV.
Many ways for you to run my cab. Cut the check, 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 cut the check. Talking conversation, it's about that time.
You look savage, blood on her hair, she's so tragic. Be careful for her love, she love.
Hey Riri. Hey Rihanna, hey girl, how you doing? I'm into you like Trump's in the Putin. I know that might sound a little confusing. I had to say it for my own amusement.
You count lava down, but you can't count them out, baby. Life give me lemons, I make lemon rain. Hooping through loopholes, working round shit. All of your misconceptions, you thought I would miss my message.
You get down. All I wanna do is see you move it. All I wanna do is see you get down. All I wanna do is see you move it. All I wanna do is see you get down. All I wanna do is see you play this shit.
You don't even know what I gave to this shit. Self-made with this shit. I slay with this shit. Been a lot of roads I done paved with this shit. Look, see I don't play with this shit. You don't even know what I gave to this shit.
Big dog tryna bring it back. I'ma slide in the way, bring it back. Let a nigga tap, tryna bring it back. Tryna bring it back. Tryna bring it
Always moving fast, I be running up a check, I be getting at the bag. I don't mean no disrespect, I ain't coming at you bad, but shawty gotta go, cause you sounding to me fast. Probably be here all day if it wasn't for you. I don't mean to cut you off or interrupt it.
All I wanna do is see you get down. All I wanna do is see you move it. All I wanna do is see you get down. All I wanna do is see you move it. All I wanna do is see you get down. All I wanna do is see you move it.
The industry changing, your content strange, but I'm good, and I'm straight. I'm from the land of the 10,000 lakes. I know you wish you could, but some can't. I learned from my mistakes and I done felt all the breaks. Learn to cut the grass real fast for the snakes. Learn to give a little bit more.
Music TV.